Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. So absolutely stunning bike is this one. It's a 2024 on a 24 plate with only 3,146 miles on it. Now basically this is one of those bikes you're going to have to do some reading and read the advert, because there is so much stuff I'm guaranteed to miss. But it's got carbon fibre all over it, carbon mudguard, carbon front end, Alcantara seat, carbon rear end, spark exhaust with decat, carbon belly pan, GB covers, lever guards, billet levers. Honestly, the list goes on. Unbelievable bikes these. Like I say, really nice comfy seat. This is the comfortable version, so they do the RSV4 and they do the Tuono, which is the naked version. So nice flat bars, comfy riding position, but still mental power wise. You get a nice big colour TFT display, and again spec wise, you're getting 6 riding modes on there. You're getting adjustable traction, wheelie control, slide control. You even get cruise control. So they really do have everything. It's even got protection on the swing arm. It's got some adjustable chain adjusters as well. Carbon rear hugger, carbon chain guard, quick release fuel cap. Honestly, like I say, there's so much to mention on this bike. I really don't think this one will be here very long at all. It's had more than £4,000 spent on it. And if you want it, give us a call. I'll get down to the shop and get it bought.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.